Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Tunisia. On the menu is Tunisian fish couscous. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Sautéing some onions. I add the carrots and continue to sauté. I add the tomatoes, the spice blend, and some tomato paste. Here's the broth. I'm going to simmer the broth for about 15 minutes. Here's the couscous broth boiling. I add the couscous. And it's going to steep off the heat for about 7 minutes. I add the cod. And it's going to simmer for about 7 minutes. Here's the finished with the cod. Here's the finished couscous. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.